Alright, so we're at Montana's right now, and we're gonna get a steak with shrimp. I'm gonna tell you how it is, tell you how the service is. Now, I've already been here before a lot, so I know it's good, but we're just gonna do this anyways. Did you start? Okay, so we got the, what was it called? The Canadian sirloin and grilled shrimp skewers. And I got a 10-ounce steak, some fries, the shrimp, which I already ate because I was starving, and I got beans, which I also already ate. And it's all pretty good. Fries are good, they're crispy. I'm gonna take a bite of the steak now. Look at that. I know this is gonna be good because I've had it before. Oh, that's good. So, I would definitely recommend people coming to Montana's. A little pricey, but it's definitely worth it. I give Montana's a 9, solid 9.